do you think you're doing?
I'm going to break.
No, you're not. You're going to do schoolwork.
Okay. I'm done.
Do more schoolwork.
Excuse me, I have human rights.
Human what?
I have human rights. Human rights mean that something that makes your life happier. For example, I have the right to rest and play because if I don't, I'm not gonna stay healthy.
Huh? Why do you need the right to rest and play?
If we don't have the right to rest and play, we're not gonna rest from schoolwork. And if we don't rest from schoolwork, we're gonna be lazy. And if we're lazy, you will not have good students because they will not pay attention to your class, Professor Mustache Head.
That is Dr. Professor Mustache Head for you. Now go out and play to be balanced.
Make sure you rest and play.
It's your right.
The best worker in the whole Are you okay? No, I'm not okay. I need to go see a doctor. And you're fine. We have something called the human right, and that protected you. And everybody have that, and it will make your life better and happier. One of the right is I could go to the doctor. The right to go to the doctor. Yes, I do have a right to go to the doctor. Why do you need a right to go to the doctor? Because if you're hurt, someone needs to help you to get more good. Let me help you out. Hey, I didn't do my homework.
Yo, what?
Oh my god!
What did you just say?
I said I didn't did my homework.
I'm gonna take your break and recess for a whole year.
What? A whole year.
I'm going to pinch you.
Stop it! I have things called rights.
That's all right.
Stop it! Rights are something that every children in the whole world have, and it keeps us safe.
Oh.
Let me tell you about a right I think is the most important. The right of no one is allowed to punish you in a cruel or harmful way form, like taking away your break for a whole year and pinching you.
Stop it! Don't let others be mean to you
Or cruel. It's your right.
What are you going to do? You did it!
You stole my pen. But I didn't do anything.
You did it! I don't have any proof, but still you did it! You did it! You did it! You did it!
Sit down. Let me tell you about human rights. Human rights are things that every human should have and should be respected simply because they are just human. One important right that every human have are the right to be innocent unless someone proves you are guilty.
But you did it!
This means is you simply
cannot just get them in trouble or just arrest them simply with no proof or no reason, or you just want to.
Okay, you're right.
Elsa, is this the pen you were looking for? It was on your head the whole time. Here.
Where's my friend? Oh, there she is. Oh, hey. I was just checking in. Oh, my books. Oh, are you okay? We're not allowed to play with her. What? We're not allowed to play with her forever. I have something called human rights.
Human rights.
Human rights are what everyone should be allowed to do and have. And one of them is the right to choose your own friends.
Choose your own friends?
Yes, I have the right to choose my own friends.
Actually, you're right. I was a bit mean. That one's on me. That's it. That one's on me.